Hello, all. My name is Preethi. I am working as an assistant professor, Department of Police in SNS College of Engineering. Today, we are going to focus on Unit 4, Power Electronics and Drives, Introduction to Drives and DC Motor Drives. In this Unit 4, we are going to focus on classes of duty. Nowadays, in almost every applications, electric motors are used, and to control the electrical drives are employed. But the operating time for all motors are not the same because some of the motors runs at all the time and some motors may rest for some time. So depending upon this concept, the motor duty class is introduced, and on the basis we'll be having 8 different categories. The first one is some continuous duty, the second one is short time duty, then intermittent periodic duty. Intermittent duty is starting, next one is starting and breaking, the next one is continuous duty with intermittent periodic loading, and then starting and breaking. The last one is the periodic speed changes. So we'll be having the 8 different categories. So let's see what is the continuous duty, where it is applicable. So this duty denotes that the motor is running long enough and the electric motor temperature reaches the steady state value. So these motors are used in the cases like paper mill drives, compressors, and conveyors, etc. So you can able to see the picture of this. And the next one is short time duty. So in these motors, the time of operation is very low and the heating time is much lower than the cooling time. So the motor hooks up to ambient temperature before the operating gain. These motors are used in the crane drives for the household appliances, wall drives, etc. It is a short time duty. The next one is called as intermittent periodic duty. Here, the motor operates for some time and there will be some rest period. In both cases, the time is insufficient to rise the temperature to steady state value or cool it to ambient temperature. It is seen as in the cases of press and drilling machine drives. You can see this picture here. Next one is called as intermittent periodic duty starting. In this type of duty, there is a period of starting which cannot be ignored, and there will be we able to say that heat loss at that time. So after that, there's a running period and rest period which are not adequate to attain the steady state value. This motor duty cycle is widely used in the cases like metal cutting, drilling tool drives, mines, horse, the forklift truck, etc. The next one we have to focus it on intermittent periodic duty with starting and breaking. In this type of drives, heat loss during the starting and the breaking cannot be ignored. So the corresponding periods at starting period, operating period, breaking period, and resting period, but all periods are too short to attain the respective steady state temperature. These techniques are used in the machine tools, suburban drives, manipulated drive, etc. And next one is continuous duty with periodic loading. In this type of motor duty, everything is same as a periodic duty. But there is a no low running period occurs instead of the rest period. The pressing, cutting of the examples of this system. The next one is continuous duty with different speeds. So in this type of motor duty, there are different running periods at different loads and speeds, but there is no rest period and all the periods are too short to attain the steady state temperatures. So here in this video, we gain the knowledge about the features of many motor types, where it is applicable and which motor is applicable for such application through the study of the several aspects of study with the goal of setting an electric motor for a certain application. And now let's see the assessment part of this. So what do you understand from this part and where it is applicable? and which duty classes is applicable for the press and drilling machine drives. So I have referred Bimal A. Bose, Power Electronics and Motor Drives, and Muhammad H. Rashid book, Power Electronics Circuits and Applications. So thank you.